Volkswagen is replacing the Tiguan Allspace with an entirely new model called the Tayron, pronounced Tyron, and it will fulfill the same role as the outgoing 7-seat mid-sized SUV, slotting in between the 5-seat Tiguan and the range-topping Touareg. The Volkswagen Tayron has been available in other markets for some time, but now the name has been brought to the UK as a replacement for the Tiguan Allspace. It borrows plenty of the same design and technology as the new Tiguan, but the Tyron, like its Allspace predecessor, offers up to 7 seats, a unique feature in Volkswagen's range of SUVs. All models include LED headlights and all but the diesel feature adjustable suspension, triple zone air conditioning, ambient lighting, adaptive cruise control, and a rear view camera. Step up the range and you'll upgrade to the larger 15.0-inch display and a head-up display, Volkswagen's smart adaptive LED headlights and semi-autonomous travel assist functions are also available. Volkswagen has tweaked the Tayron suspension to be softer than its all-rounder Tiguan counterpart, because the larger SUV with its optional 7-seat layout is designed to be a more practical, less sporty, family-focused model. However, with the same architecture and powertrains as the Tiguan, you'd expect a similar driving experience, even with the Tayron being larger in every dimension than its sibling and having a longer wheelbase. Volkswagen's desire to provide something for everyone in the Tayron is reflected in the range of powertrains available. You can have a basic turbocharged 2.0-liter TSI petrol engine, which comes equipped with VW's 4Motion all-wheel drive. This 4-cylinder motor is available in $150 kilo and $190 kilo states of tune, and, as is the case across the entire Tayron lineup, automatic gearboxes are standard. The 2.0-liter TDI diesel comes with either front or all-wheel drive. There's 110 kW at your disposal in the front-wheel drive Tayron, while the 4Motion version makes up to 142 kW. At low speeds, the body bobs around with sharp steering inputs that you'd probably expect of a jacked-up SUV with a high center of gravity. But speed bumps and large potholes are dealt with easily, even on the larger rims found on the high-spec trim levels. Volkswagen's interiors are showing signs of a resurgence thanks to a greater emphasis on ergonomics. The Tayron is a step in the right direction. Getting comfortable in the VW. Tyron is easy, thanks to plenty of adjustment from the seat and steering wheel. You get electrically adjustable lumbar support for the front seats on all trim levels, but if you want full electric adjustment, you'll need to add it as an option as part of a pack. Elegance and R-Line trims have massaging seats. All Tayrons get a 10.3-inch digital driver's display that looks sharp and offers more layouts than in a Peugeot 5008. The sharp-looking 12.9-inch infotainment touchscreen is reasonably responsive, and while certain functions are difficult to locate, in sub-menus, you can at least customize up to 5 shortcut icons at the top of the screen to take you to them directly. On life trim and above, the screen can be upgraded to a huge 15-inch version as part of the optional Infotainment Package Plus, which also includes ChatGPT AI voice integration that understands a broader range of natural speech. There's plenty of head and legroom going spare in the front seats of the VW Tayron, even for a pair of 6-footers. Storage space is equally generous, with big door pockets that can hold more than a fairly large bottle, a cubby below the center, armrest, 2 cup holders, and space for a pair of phones below the center air vents. Passengers sitting on the outer seats can fold down a central armrest, which includes 2 cup holders and somewhere to hold your phone upright for watching videos. Elsewhere, the door bins are large, and the backs of the front seats have pockets for phones and larger items. On 7-seat versions, some will find the middle row bench doesn't slide forwards enough to make it easy to clamber into the 3rd row of seats, but the rear doors do open reasonably wide. The boot is huge and closely mirrors the cavernous Kodiaq. There's 345 liters of space available with all 7 seats up in place, and 850 liters, up to parcel shelf height, when the 3rd row seats are folded down. The 5-seat only PHEV model's boot space is smaller, at 705 liters, due to the battery under the floor. Even so, all Tayrons should have little trouble swallowing a couple of pushchairs or 2 large suitcases. Topping the range is the R-Line, and this is more easily recognizable by the more aggressive-looking front bumper and R badging on the front doors. There are also 19-inch wheels and 3D LED taillights. On the inside, the seats carry specific R detailing, and there's seat heating front and rear.